Welcome to Proxmox Installation Guide. This guide provides a comprehensive overview of how to install Proxmox into both GUI and CLI ways. Prerequisites for installation Proxmox. We spoke about system requirement about Proxmox, and also we spoke about network configuration, and the important thing is to back up your important data when you're installing on your servers. Installing Proxmox in GUI. First, you have to download the ISO file from the official website, and next you should create your USB flash bootable. Either you can download Balinature, or you have another bootable, or you have another tools to boot your USB or DVD, and boot the installation media on your server and follow the prompts. First, let's go on and download the Proxmox ISO image from the official website, and next let's boot your image with Balinature. We will download Balinature also, and we will go on with boot from installation media and follow the prompts. To download the Proxmox ISO, you have to download Proxmox VE. This is the official website to download Proxmox. Proxmox has the technology Proxmox Virtual Environment, Proxmox Backup Server, Proxmox Data Center Manager, and Proxmox Mail Gateway. Now we need Proxmox Virtual Environment. Download ISO. This is the latest version, Proxmox 9 ISO Installer. This is the image 8.4, 7.4. You have to download the latest version. You can download. I downloaded earlier. This is the file that I downloaded earlier. I have Proxmox 9, which is the latest version, and Proxmox 8.4. Now let's boot our USB flash by Balinature. First, you have to download Balinature. This is the official website to download Balinature. You can download and install Balinature. After downloading Balinature, install it and insert your USB flash drive into your computer and open Balinature. Flash from drive. Select your Proxmox version, open, and select the target. After selecting your USB flash, you have to flash and wait for some minute that your flash be ready. After the flash is ready, you can boot your image on your server. Now let's create a virtual machine in our VMware workstation and install Proxmox in GUI. It's on Debian base. Next, Proxmox 01. Customize hardware, minimum 2 gig processor. Select your ISO image that you downloaded, Proxmox 9, okay. Network adapter is not, it's okay, and you can close it. Finish. Power on your virtual machine. If you boot from USB flash on a real production server, after the boot menu you will arrive here. You can install in terminal, which is CLI, and you can install in graphical mode. We will go on with graphical mode. In user license agreement, you have to agree. The target installation. Next, country Afghanistan, Timezone Asia. Next, provide a password for login. pv.local-admin, you can provide hostname, IP address, you can assign static IP. This is the summary. Automatically reboot after successful installation and press install. Wait for some minute, the installation will finish and it will reboot automatically. Up to the installation finish, we will go on with post-installation, what to do next. Post-installation configuration. After the installation finish, we will access the web interface on port 8006 and we will log in with the credential that we set up. The installation is not finished. Wait. The server rebooted successfully. Now you can access your server by https://192.168.140.2.130:8006. Let's access it. Confirm the certificate and save yes. User login is root, the password that we provided during installation. Our installation successfully finished. This is our PVE, our local network, our local storage and local LVM. That we will go on with all the configurations on the next session.